Encoding consistency and character corruption. After repository migration, it is common to encounter character corruption in folder or workflow names containing multiple languages, eventually making the content unreadable and causing migration failure. In such cases, the first step should be to verify whether the environment variables infacode paginame lang and nl slang on the target server are consistent with those on the source server. If these settings differ, sound character encoding conversion during repository restore may fail or produce incorrect results. By standardizing these environment variables before migration, most multi-language encoding issues can be effectively avoided.